Hi, I'm Kevin Dick, Executive Director of the Durham Workforce Development Board, the oversight body for the publicly funded workforce development system here in Durham County. Thank you for viewing our 2012 to 2013 annual report video. You know, over this past year, we were able to reach some significant milestones in connecting businesses to job seekers here in Durham. Emerging and established businesses such as CRE, MHA Works Architecture, Save-A-Lot Food Stores, and the Durham Bulls Baseball Club were all able to connect to quality talent through the Durham JobLInk Career Center system, the direct services arm for workforce development here in Durham. We were able to achieve these milestones with no material findings in our monitorings or audits. We garnered national recognition from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for our performance in the Environmental Job Technology Training Program. Finally, we were able to achieve these things with robust public-private partnerships. So to all of those public agencies and private sector businesses and not-for-profits, we thank you for the ways in which you use the business services that are available through the Durham JobLInk. Also, I want to thank my coworkers here in the Office of Economic and Workforce Development, as well as many other city departments who did their part to make sure that milestones could be achieved. In a few minutes, you'll hear specifically from some Durham businesses and residents who were able to use the system to improve their bottom lines or achieve their career goals. But before you see that, I do want to take a minute to tell you about some challenges on the horizon. For example, there are about 10,000 unemployed people here in Durham, and there are many disconnected youth, those disconnected from the programs and the interventions they need to find employment or educational success. We need to scale up our services, make them more efficient, so that we can reach more of those people in the county with limited resources. Also, we need to continue to connect with the business community, especially in light of the fact that federal and local funding are at risk due to budgetary challenges, and state policy and law changes stand to change the way workforce development operates here in Durham. I think we can overcome these challenges though. I think that with business investment and strong community outreach, with partnering with the faith and community-based organizations here in Durham, we can reach more people in the community, we can leverage resources and make public and private partnership. So come on, Durham, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work.
JobLInk and the folks involved have gotten to know me and the business and what we're looking for. They kind of get the vibe. This is the restaurant business. We need people right away when we have an opening. So I send them an email, and within a day or two, we've got a reply and people are coming in the door.
I had a misdemeanor. I guess some companies didn't feel like offering me a chance. I was getting restless. You know, I was like, I want to work. A friend of mine told me about Miss McCullum at JobLInk. But it was just the fact that, you know, she saw something in people and I had the determination. Only thing I needed was a chance and the opportunity.
When I first heard about JobLInk and got a little bit of an understanding of what it was, I quickly realized that it may be not right for our profession. After doing a little bit more research and talking to them about it a little bit more, we quickly realized that we were wrong. In direct comparison to other services that we've used, it frankly is more effective and cheaper and easier.
I was working for an architecture firm in Chapel Hill, and they simply ran out of work. And I, along with several of my colleagues, were laid off. I initially went in with a bit of reservation, really wasn't sure that it was going to be a positive avenue for me. I thought that unemployment was, in these sorts of programs, were largely for people who were not in a professional environment.
When CRE needed to ramp up the new production facility here to make the new LED light bulb, and that was a cost-effective option for us to explore, partnering with JobLInk in order to ramp it up quickly and efficiently. We had a wonderful experience with JobLInk, so I first reached out and spoke to Daryl, and he was super friendly. You know, I'm like, this is what we're trying to accomplish, and we had a conference call. They got through our needs, how many people we were targeting, Because we were targeting a fair number of people, we wanted to screen about 175 people in 2 job fairs. They coordinated with Chatham County, and we had both Durham County and Chatham County kind of feed in our initial job fairs to staff the facility.
She's filled exactly what we're looking for. As I said, it's great that we can go to a local system that provides exactly what we're looking for.
We've probably gone to JobLink at least 3 or 4 times now and said, could you send us a few applicants? And they've come through for us with really good people.